Looking for freelance for full-time work. SimplyHired has you covered. Create a profile, search, draw a wide range of job listings, and apply directly to opportunities that match your skills. It's a great platform to find both freelance gigs and full-time positions across various industries. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use SimplyHired. Offers a mix of freelance and full-time job opportunities. So firstly, all I have to do is just open a browser and dive into simplyhired.com. This is the homepage as you can see. First, let's know what is SimplyHired. It's an online job search platform that offers a wide variety of job listings, including both freelance and full-time opportunities. It aggregates job postings from across the web, making it easy for users to find and apply to positions in various industries as well. SimplyHired allows job seekers to search by location, job type, and keywords as well, helping them find the right opportunities quickly. All I have to do right now is just open your browser, and here you click over create account, and then you click over sign in or sign up. Then you'll find the page, which is this one. You have just to choose if you want to sign up or sign in. Here we have create an account or sign in. I will just choose the first option, which is using Google. We have also here other option, which is Apple, or add a new email address. Then I will just here add my email, and then you will find this page as you can see. Here we have firstly for the next step, create an account for tools to help. I will just here select if I will here select employer or job seeker. I will select employer. Then you'll find the page, which is this one. Alright, so we have it right now. I will just here we have my account as you can see, and my profile. You can just click on my profile. There we have my information as you can see. Here we have phone job title, and you click over edit, add work schedule, add job type, add base pay. We have here location, remote, and we have current job alerts as well. You have just to add here the job title, skills or company, and the location, and you click over create job alert if you want. So that's it for the profile. Let's just come back to the SimplyHired. So to use SimplyHired, you have just to create a profile and start browsing job listings across freelance and full-time positions. You can search by location, job type, or specific keywords to find opportunities that match your skills. Once you find a job you are interested in, simply apply directly through the platform, making it easy to discover new career opportunities. All I have to do right now is just here select the job title that you want, or skills or company. For example, here I will just add data, for example, and we have here other things, and we have data entry, delivery driver, here we have driver, dental assistant, data entry remote, driver no candle, dispensary, dollar general dental hygienist. And if we just add, for example, a Amazon administrative assistant, Amazon warehouse accountant, airport, Aldi administrative assistant, animal, Amazon delivery, and various things. And then if we add here, for example, B, we have other things. So you can just add the job title and skills or company, and also you select which city and the zip code if you want. And we have city, state, zip, or remote, and you start with that, and you click over search jobs, and that's it for this one. We have also, if you want to upload or create a resume, you click over here and you'll find the page, which is this one. Here we have you select employers can find you on Indeed, employees can find you further Indeed, and which also we have employers can find you in Indeed, and you select the one you want. I will select, of course, the first one because I need employers can find me on Indeed, and I will click over save, and here we have it right now. You can upload resume or build an Indeed resume if you want. And here we have you have to follow the steps. You have to add your name, your last name, and you click over continue. And here we have the next step. You have to add all these things. And that's it for this one. We have here country, street address, city and state, postal code. And then we have also here add education and other things. Then you click over save or you click over skip. And then we have the title, company, and other thing. And then you click over save and exit once you're done. Right, so right now let's just here scroll it down, and we'll find here other things that could help you. For example, we have here salary estimator, company reviews, Glassdoor. Then we have here which country. Then we have employer tools, post jobs such as. Then we have browse, we have all jobs here, all salaries, all cities, all companies. Then we have stay connected here, contact us as you can see. All right. Right, so here we have also other things in top. We have here the option if you want to switch to French or on English, and then we have post jobs. You'll find here this page, and you can see you have just to click over post jobs for free unended, and you'll find a page which is this one as you can see. Here we have how you can post a job. You click over here and this button below. Then you'll find a page which is this one here we have it right now, and let's get started by posting this one. So firstly you have here to select if you want to have people looking for jobs, search for job. You have employers, your company's name, your first and last name. You're also here how you heard about us, and then you add your phone number as you can see. Then you click over continue once you're done. Also we have here, if we come back here to the homepage, we have also other things and various information about this platform, which is SimplyHired. So you can just get started as soon as possible. Also, we have here other things. For example, here's if you want to sign in and create account, here we have also post jobs, browse, such as we have all jobs, all salaries, and all cities and all companies. You have just to select the one you want and you get started. Then we have also company page, job title. Do we have the job tool? Sorry, local jobs, salary estimator. Then we have want to contact us about the country. We have here several. Here you choose the country that you want. Of course, I will search for United States, and also we have here, for example, if you want to sign in. So I already mentioned all these things. So right now we have also here other things. For example, if you want to know more about salary estimator, sorry, then we have company reviews, class tour, community, then we have employer tools, we have post jobs, both we have all jobs, all salaries, all cities, all companies. Then we have stay connected, we have just to contact us. So SimplyHired is a user-friendly platform that connects you with both freelance and full-time job opportunities. With its easy search features and diverse job listings, it's a great tool to find your next car move, whether you are looking for flexibility or permanent position. So this is how it works with this platform, which is SimplyHired. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead. So you have just to follow the steps and stick around until the end. Watch this video full without here skipping the steps of signing up and also how you can post a job. And that's it for this video. It's very easy to use this platform, which is SimplyHired. And you have just to click over here and you click over the first one and you'll find the homepage of SimplyHired. Also you can add the job title and or skills company as I mentioned before. So that's it for this platform, and let's get started with another platform and see you again in the next video.